If you guys hear noise in the background, my brother is playing his bass right now. Hi guys! So, hi! I have been very MIA for a very long time. I know, I apologize. I am working on my content, I'm working on my stuff, I guess. I don't know. I'm just working on everything behind the scenes, so I'm trying to do as best as I can to stay on top of it. But I apologize, I know I've been gone for a really long time. As you can probably tell, some things are a little bit different. I am trying to be as professional as I possibly can with these videos, and I'm so excited to be able to bring all this new stuff into these videos, so I'm so excited. Anyway, enough rambling. Today's video is going to be a bullet journal plan with me for February. I missed January, I'm sorry, but I'm going to do a quick little flip through in today's video so you guys can see how my January setup was. But today's gonna be a plan with me for the month of February, and I'm so excited. I decided to do something different this time around, so I'm really excited about how it came out. I think this intro is pretty long, so let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, here we go. So, we're going to start off with kind of showing you my January setup. I actually set up this whole new journal, which I didn't get a chance to show you guys, but hopefully one day I'll be able to go through it all with you guys. But for now, we're going to start off with the month of January. This was my setup. I did a light and firefly theme, and we're going to start off like usual with filling up my favorite moment of the month. I went ahead and went through my pictures and was able to print them out through my HP Sprocket printer, and I'm going to kind of show you a comparison right now between the printed picture and the picture on my phone. I think it was pretty good. Honestly, obviously it's not going to be perfect, but it's pretty good in my opinion. So for the meantime, all I'm going to do is just stick it on here, and I'll come back and fill it out myself. But this was my mood tracker right here. I didn't keep up with my Bible verses this month. I'm going to be honest with you guys. There was a lot of changes this month, so it was hard to get used to it. But this is pretty much the setups that I have for the weeklies. I actually didn't fill out a single thing in this past week in my weekly spread, which I kind of suck. But that's pretty much all I have for January, and we're going to go ahead and move on into February. So I know it looks kind of weird now that I'm just kind of drawing a pizza on my monthly spread, but I decided to do something a little bit different. Usually I only go with a color theme for my monthly spreads, or for, you know, throughout the whole month. But this time I decided to change it up a little bit, and since obviously February is known for Valentine's Day, I decided to do lots of the little corny, punny things that you see around Valentine's Day. So this was one of my favorite ones, which is why it's obviously my cover page. It's my favorite one. It says, "You've stolen a pizza, my heart," and it's a little slice of pizza, and it's so cute, obviously. So it goes a lot with February. I decided to put a bunch of hearts all around the pizza, and all I did was pretty much color this in, and I think it looks really cute, and I'm going to be incorporating this throughout the entire month. A bunch of these little cute, punny Valentine's Day quote things. I just thought it'd be really cute. Obviously, it's going to include a lot of different colors, but my main colors are going to be the pinks and red. I'm just going to incorporate a lot of other different colors into my monthly layout, or the continuous layouts that will be coming out in this month. But I really thought this would be a cute idea. I personally haven't seen it before. I couldn't be the only one to do it, but I thought it'd be really cute to go ahead and make it all really cute and punny, and I don't know, I just really liked it. As for my monthly calendar layout, it really has not changed in over a year now, almost 2. I've done the same monthly layout since July of 2017. It just is what works the best for me, and I personally love the way that it looks. I feel like it looks really clean, and you're still able to see everything that it is that you need to see in your basic monthly layout, and it's just been my favorite way to do it, so I don't think this is ever really going to change. And like I said earlier, my basic main colors that I'm going to be using throughout the entire month are different shades of pink, which is what you're going to be seeing most often. So that's why I went ahead and I made these cute little shadows in the color pink. And I saw that I had this negative space down here, so I decided to fill it in with the cute little heart in pink. And with white ink, I put Love You, kind of like the cute little candy hearts that you eat. I thought it looked nice. And again, another spread that you guys should not see any changes in is my favorite moment of the month. I have previously said that I want to be able to keep these journals for years and years, and it's a good way to be able to document my favorite moment of each month, and putting these pictures in here and be able to look back and see what it is that happened that month is something that I want to be able to have forever. I have seen different variations of this kind of thing, and this is just my favorite way to do it. And now for the mood tracker. I saw this idea on Pinterest and I thought it was really cute, which is kind of like a flower type of thing, but at the ends has hearts. I don't know, I thought it was really cute. I made several mistakes on this spread, which hopefully you guys won't catch as much as I am able to see myself. But all I really did was draw this flower. I put hearts at the ends of the lines, and I'm going to be numbering each of the hearts for every day of the month, obviously, and then just filling it in. You guys will see my color code in a little bit. It's just a really cute way to be able to track how you felt every day of this month. Although I've been very bad with keeping up with this spread in the past months, I want to continue trying to do it. Obviously, this isn't something that everybody wants to do, but I am really dedicated to make sure that I get this done. So hopefully this month will be completely filled out. We'll see how this goes, but I just wanted to continue this going and just try to make an effort. I did tried to make it a little bit different this time and added some pink in between the gray, which I'm not too sure how I feel about. It doesn't look too bad, so at least there's that, but I'm not too sure how I feel about it yet. And I always have this negative space at the end of the spread, so I found this cute sticker that I really liked. It says "Pray Without Ceasing." All I did was add some hearts around it, and I thought it fit in with the theme pretty perfectly. So after I add the numbers to the lines, I'm pretty much done with the spread. So my camera stopped recording right around here, so it's a big jump from what you previously just saw. But this is the first weekly spread of the month of February. This is one of my favorite spreads that I've ever done. Actually, I feel like it's very clean, crisp, and you're able to fit everything that you want into it. So I decided in this space right here is where I was going to add my cute little pun for this week. I actually kind of messed up on how I calculated it when I drew it out in pencil, which is good that I drew it out in pencil because I was able to fix it up once I went in with my Micron pen. So I just moved it up a tiny bit. But all I did was draw this cute little cactus in a pot, and it says "So glad I pricked you." I thought it was so cute, so punny obviously. I did mess up when I wrote pricked. I definitely should have followed my guidelines when I went in with the pencil. I added this sticker on the side, which I ended up not liking. You'll see that I changed that up a little bit. So So after I finished this little cactus drawing was when I realized I wanted to do green and red for this spread, and that's why I took off the little sticker that said love on it because it was more pink. Anyway, I went ahead and filled out the numbers and days for the week. I decided to just draw a little box and write the number of the day in that box, and then at the top I labeled it with the day of the week that I'm going to be using that box or that area for. So again, in this negative space, I just drew another little heart in there, and then in white ink, I put Be Mine just to fill out that space. And those are my basic spreads for the month of February. I had so much fun doing this one, so I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave me some comments down below with what you guys thought. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I appreciate you guys coming around and watching me plan my bullet journal for February. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a big old thumbs up for love and for February and for candy that is 50% off the day after Valentine's Day. While you're down there, don't forget to click the notification bell so you're notified every time that I post. Again, hopefully I'm going to post more often this year. It's looking very good so far. Fingers crossed. Other than that, I hope I see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay, what else should I say? I don't know, I can't. I want to come up with like a signature, like, outro thing. Like Nikki. Stop. I'm just gonna do this.
Oh, aren't we supposed to go on a diet?
Dude. He says, aren't we supposed to go on a diet? It's a little too late for that, I think.
Nah,
okay, bye!